Into Assets proudly presents for sale by auction this highly productive mixed-use farm located near Lions River in the sought-after region of the KwaZulu-Natal Midlands. The farm is comprised of two adjoining portions which will be offered individually and then together as a combined lot. The property is accessed via the Petrostroom Road and enjoys magnificent views of the surrounding farmlands, synonymous with the KZN Midlands. There is ample water on the property for both drinking and irrigation purposes, sourced from numerous boreholes and dams. This 130-hectare mixed farming operation encompasses a piggery currently producing 110 porkers per week, a commercial beef operation, layer hens with a capacity of 41,600 birds, as well as feed crops on the irrigated and arable drylands with significant potential for expansion. There are numerous additional improvements, including sheds, 2 manager houses, offices, handling facilities, and staff accommodation. The large, recently renovated farmhouse is accompanied by 2 cottages, as well as a tennis court and pavilion. Movable assets and livestock are included in the sale of the farm, and a list of such is available upon request. We look forward to your participation at our live studio auction on the 25th of October 2022. For more information about this farm, the auction process, and to arrange a viewing, please contact Tom on 083 636 7800.